Hi. In this video, I'll explain how you can list all products and items for a project and get approval from your customer. First, go to the specific project and click on Design and Estimate. Here, you'll find the Selections module. In Selections, you can see all the items added for a particular room or area and track which items are approved or rejected by the customer. If you open an existing selection, you can clearly see which items were approved and which were rejected. From here, you can also add more items and send them for approval. This works like a digital material selection process. Instead of visiting showrooms or physically presenting products, you can upload all items directly and get approval online. Now let me show you how to create a selection group. Click on Create Selected Room and enter the name of the area or space. Once the group is created, click on it. Inside the group, click on Add Item. You can add products in 3 ways. Either you can add items manually by entering the product name, brand, unit cost, unit type, and uploading the relevant images. Or you can directly add products from your inventory. If you have your own warehouse, you can maintain all your stock in the system. Whenever you want to add products to your selections group, estimate, or any other module, you can simply pick them from your inventory. In this case, for the selections, I'm going to add a product that is available in the warehouse. As you can see, I've now added the product that needs to be approved by the customer. If you click on the product, you can view the complete details, such as price, quantity, units, and images. Similarly, you can also add a product directly from your BOQ items. Just click on the BOQ option and select any item you've already created in the BOQ library. As you can see, I've now added a product from the BOQ library. If you click on Edit, you can modify the cost, length, or any other details as required. Once done, click on Update. Now you have successfully added the products or items for the particular room. To get approval from the customer, you need to enable the toggle button for customer portal visibility. Make sure this option is turned on. If you click on the 3-dot action button, you can rename the group or delete it if required. Now I'll show you how the customer can approve the items in this group. This is the customer portal, where the customer can view all the products, proposals, and estimates you have shared. In this case, the customer can click on Selections and view the products added under the specific group. When they click on the group, they can preview each product and see the images you've uploaded. The customer can then choose to approve or reject each item. If an item is rejected, you can update it and send it again for approval. Whenever the customer approves or rejects an item, you will receive a notification or email update. You can open the specific room or group and clearly see which items are approved and which are rejected. From here, you can understand the customer's selection and proceed further with estimate creation. You can also add floor plans or any other documents that require customer approval within the same group. This makes it very easy to get real-time approval from your customer. Thank you.